Dear students, we are starting new chapter in 10th standard, that is quadratic equations. So what is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation definition is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 is known as a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation, let us take a particular quadratic equation. This is a particular quadratic equation. So this is an example for particular quadratic equation. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. So now next our point of discussion is solution. What is the solution of a quadratic equation? So see here, I'll write the definition. Alpha, say alpha, the value real or complex, this is real or imaginary, maybe real or imaginary. So alpha, real or imaginary, real number or imaginary number. So alpha is said to be the root of quadratic equation. Root, solution is said to be root. A real or imaginary number alpha is said to be the root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 if and only if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. So when x is replaced with the alpha, so this expression value should become 0. So that is what we mean by root. Okay, now we'll explain the root concept with an example. Check whether x is equal to 5 is a root of, check whether x is equal to 5 is a root of 3x square minus 4x plus 9 is equal to 0, question mark. So we need to check whether x is equal to 5 is a root of this equation. Then 3x square minus 4x plus 9 you take, and in this you replace x with 5. So 3 into 5 square minus 4 into 5 plus 9. So this is equal to 3 into 25, 4 into 5 plus 9. 3 into 25 is 75. Minus 4 into 5 is 20 plus 9. 75 minus 20 is 55. 55 plus 9. 55 plus 9 is 64, which is not equal to 0. So the expression 3x square minus 4x plus 9 value when x is equal to 5 is 64, which is not equal to 0. Then you can say x is equal to 5 is not a root of the quadratic equation. X is equal to 5 is not the root of this quadratic equation. That's how you can conclude. Now let us take another example. Is x is equal to 3 a root of the quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So now let us verify. Now take x square minus 4x plus 3. In this you substitute x is equal to 3. So then 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 3. 3 square is 9. Minus 4 3 is 12 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 12, which is 0. So now x square minus 4x plus 3 is becoming 0 when x is equal to 3. Therefore, you can conclude that x is equal to 3 is a root of the given equation. the given quadratic equation. Right? Understood? Now let us take one more example. The question is, if x is equal to 2 is a root of, if x is equal to 2 is a root of k x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, then find the value of k. If x is equal to 2 is a root of this quadratic equation, then find k. This is the question. Now, if you go for solution, x is equal to 2 is a root of kx square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. If and only that x is equal to satisfies that equation, then what do you get? K into 2 square plus 2 into 2, x value 2 I am putting, minus 3 is equal to 0. So k into 4, it is a 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. So k into 4, 4k plus 4 minus 3, 1 is equal to 0. So 4k is equal minus 1. So k is equal minus 1 by 4. Understood? So k value got minus 1 by 4.